Happy Monday, everyone. Yes, so this is my first episode. This is for, I actually am thinking about this to like doing a video for being a freelancer, a business owner. So I just wanted to share it with you that magsa-start na po ako mag-vlog. Yes. So yeah, because actually my goal is not only to have a self improvement, but of course to share everyone what I am doing, what I am currently doing. Um, Pagpasensyahan niyo na kung hindi ako masyadong fully English. Char. Um, yes, I want to share it to you guys kasi gusto ko rin like like a mom, being a hands-on mom to your kids. Gusto mo rin i-share kung ano yung work mo, kung ano yung kumbaga ano yung meron na ginagawa namin. If you can able to see my posting for this past few weeks, it's more on motivational and of course our business, which is Virtual A. And yeah, I wanted to share it with you guys para at least malaman niyo kung ano yung field na meron ako ngayon sa mga hindi po nakakakilala talaga sa akin. So I started as doing a freelance. I think it's almost more than 4 years na. I think it's actually, to be exact, is not sure if I can't remember, is it 3 years kasi ang freelance talaga, it's minsan may client ka, minsan wala. So pero ang breakthrough ko talaga nag-start siya sa past 3 years po. So yeah, I wanted this to share with you for the couple of days, yung kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng freelance and virtual assistant, how you can able to get some client, doing it on the comfort of your home, to be like working with with your fur babies, with your kids, everything na nasa bahay ka lang. So the reason why I think this opportunity, it's all because alam niyo naman na nakatira kami dito sa Rizal and super duper traffic talaga. Before, kapag umaalis ako ng bahay, it's para pumasok sa work. Yung past job ko kasi, yung last past job ko is I think it's a call center agent, pero it's only 5 months, 4 months I think. So yes, before nasa yung pinaka-past job ko sa Concentric. So, almost, I think ang travel time ko nun is almost 3 to 4 hours kasi sobrang traffic po dyan sa may Ligaya. So, naranasan ko pong maglakad, nilakad ko yung Ligaya hanggang dun sa may C3. Kung tama ako ng location, yes, doon kasi yung pinaka-site namin. So, may pagkakataon din talaga na nag-rent ako ng bahay doon, just to make sure na hindi ako malilate. And it's really hard as a working mom. Hindi mo makikita yung bahay, yung mga kids mo na minsan pag uwi mo is natutulog na sila. And then pagka kailangan mo nang gumising para pumasok is minsan naman ikaw naman yung sila naman yung gising, tapos ikaw tulog naman. So, I know how a mom life is. So yes, I just wanted to share with you for the next video ko po kung ano yung freelancing. So at least you have an idea. I know that ito din yung gustong-gustong makuha ng isang mommies, like a working mom. So yeah, please stay tuned sa next na video ko po. Thanks!